Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn most important concept, very useful concept, call by reference, call by value and call by pointer. These three things we are going to learn. For that, I take a simple example here. You see, I declare a function swap. And here I take normal variable, two variable, and I take this void swap, and here I declare two variables. I say n1 equal to 10, n2 equal to 20, and I just print these value first. I say n1 equal to %t and n2 equal to %t, and I say slash n, and I say that is n1 and n2 like this. Once again I copy this after swapping, then I pass this to swap. I say n1 and n2 like this. Now I create this function here. I pass n1 n2 like this, and here what I do, I say int temp, and I say temp equal to n1, then n1 into n2, then n2 equal to temp like this. We swap the value, and remember that I copy this inside this also. I want to show you that it has been changed. Save this, but it would not change here in this function. So I try to compile this. I say GCC call by pointer. We have the problem in printf. Okay, semicolon. Save this, compile. You see that this line, first line is called here. So these values same, 10 and 20. Now we goes here inside this function. So this value has been changed. But again at the calling of this swap function, these values are remain the same, 10 and 20. Remember that? That means this is not able to reflect the value here. Why? Because these are arguments, these are parameter, they do not have their own link right now. They are separate variable. They are local variable to this function, and this is local variable to the main. So these two variables are separate, their address is separate, there is no link at all. So we are passing here only the value from n1 to n2, n1 to n1 and n2 to n2. This value we are passing, not we are passing any address or not passing any reference. So this process is called call by value. I called it call by value. Remember this? So I make it comment right now, this function. Now I make some modification here. Suppose I create this as a pointer. I create here as a pointer. Okay, now these are pointer. So I need to call this swap function again, and here I need to pass the address of this n1 and address of this n2 here. Remember? Okay, semicolon, and here I need to create this pointer, and here I need to reflect this value. I need to reflect this value. I need to use value. I need to pass to the value like this. Remember? Now one thing you have to remember, that this I just make comment. Why? Because it will reflect the value. No need to show this now, because it was for call by value, that inside the value is changed but outside the value is not coming. But now it will change the value automatically. So you see the output right now. I compile this and I call it. You see, first value is 10 and 20 before calling this function here. Then I call the function, and here I display this value. The value has been changed, 20 to 10. This concept is called call by pointer. Remember, this is not call by reference. it is call by pointer, but in most of the videos and most of the books we have written this as a call by reference. It is not call by reference, it is call by pointer, because we have created here pointer, we have not created any reference. Now how we can perform call by reference in C? C support call by reference only by array. Remember, only by array. C++ support call by reference, call by pointer both, but C support only call by pointer like this, and with the help of array it support call by reference. So we can perform, so I say array swap. I'm just giving example of this. Here I say you can say value of array, I will pass here like this. I create this function once again. You see, I say void array swap and I say int value like this. Remember that, and I take here array. I say value of 2 element I have, and I say the first element is 40 and second element is 70. Remember, so these element I will interchange. So now what I say like this, and I call, this is the array value, so I make this comment right now all, no need to show this. I will use only the array concept now, call by reference. So I copy this line and I paste it here. So in place of this I say value 0 like this, and I say value 1 like that. I am displaying it before array n1 n2. You can say n1 n2 of array. So I can say value 0 and value 1 like this. Now I call this function array swap. I pass the array here, then I call this value again, save this, same array. Here we have this concept, we say temp, then I say temp equal to value of array 0, then value of 0 change by value of 1, then value of 1 is changed by temp, save this. Now you see the reflection, we are not using pointer. I compile this, we have the problem here, semicolon, save this. You see, I run it, you see value has changed. First of all we have 40 and 70, you see we have 40 and 70. Now we display this when we pass this array to this function, then after this same index value we have called, but the value of array inside this has been changed. Now at 0 location we have 70 and first location we have 40. That means by function this we have swapped the value of these array. Remember that I am not using here pointer, I am using simple array, and here I am using pointer. So this concept is called call by pointer and this concept is called call by reference. Remember, so this is not call by reference, but we read in most of the books and videos also this is call by reference in C, but remember that C does not support call by reference through pointer like this. It supports call by pointer, but by array only it support by the C, that it is called by reference. We are not passing any address, just by the reference we are interchanging the value here. But C++ support call by reference. In place of declaring this pointer we declare like this in C++ program, like this call by reference we declare, then it called call by reference. By using this star it called call by pointer only. So this is the difference between call by value, call by pointer and call by reference. I think now you understand clearly all three concepts. If you understand it clearly with proper example, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching this video.